BIHER Research Publications Center invites e-nominations for the Annual BIHER Research Awards for this year 2022. In order to be eligible for this, the staff, research scholars, JRFs, SRFs and students, you should have your research work published with BIHER affiliation during the academic year 21-22. The last date for e-submission is 20th May 2022. The various categories of research awards can be downloaded from this link in a PDF format as shown here. The link for the nomination form is also enclosed. On clicking the link, this form will open. Please note that you will be able to access this form only through your official Bharat University email ID. Enter your personal details, and for researchers, you need to enter your Scopus author identifier number, which will be available in scopus.com in your author page as shown over here. In the awards section of the form, you will have the following link for the template that is to be downloaded. So once you click on the link as shown on the bottom left here, the Excel form will get downloaded. You have to enter the data in the various sheets of the template. There are various categories for the award, and one can apply for any number of categories. There is no restriction. You can apply to as many awards as you like, as you are eligible. The various data has to be entered in the different sheets of the same Excel file. For example, sheet 1 corresponds to the paper with highest impact factor. Likewise, the various sheets correspond to the various categories of the awards. Once you complete entering your data in the sheets of the template file, please save that file with the file name given as your 10-digit mobile number _award and as an Excel file. The proof that you have to submit are the screenshots for the impact factor of the journal. In the case of published articles, it will be the first page of the article, and in case of books, it will be the cover page, and so on. Copy and paste all your above proofs in a Word file in the same order as you have entered in the Excel sheet, one below the other, and finally save the Word file as a single PDF file. Again, use the same file name, that is will be your mobile number _award. This one would be a PDF file, and these two files have to be uploaded as shown here in page 34 towards the end of the form. So the first one there would be an Excel file, and the next one as shown here would be a PDF file for the proofs. Once you have uploaded the Excel file and the PDF file, it will be appearing like this. For example, here I have used my mobile number to save my file, and after uploading, it appears like this. Use the checklist to verify whether you have applied for all the categories, and wherever is applicable, whether you have submitted the proofs and the Excel sheets. And once it is done, you are ready to submit your form. On clicking the submit, following screen will appear, and here as shown, you can always edit your response even after submitting. Hope this was very useful to you, and see you all at the BIHER Research Awards 2022. Thank you and all the very best.